Checking out this gym bag, a little small duffel bag from OGIO. I think that's how you say it. I can get the side to come down here. OGIO. So this one is cool. I got an orange one. They make them in a couple of different colors. Real secure zippers on them. Big open area. Look how strong this material is. Good, what do they call this? Like hemmed inside seams. Good strong handles, so no matter what you're carrying in it, because I use this for tools, then this thing is no problem. You got a hook and loop attachment there if you're going to be carrying it for any length of time, so you've got some cushioning there. It's got a side sort of pocket, but then it also has the zipper area with a pull through, so you can put it like headphones or something in there, run power from it. It's got these D-rings all over, so you can attach stuff, and I suppose for a shoulder strap. Super strong, well made, good materials from OGIO. Hope this helps.